Students, how are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the topic that how we can find out is the square root of non-perfect square number, right? If I ask you to find the square root of these numbers, you can easily tell that, right? Under root of 25, that is the 5, that is the 6, and that is the 7, right? Then what about, suppose, under root of 22? How will they get that answer, right? Suppose under root of 27, how you can find the answer, right? So in today's class, we are going to discuss about this topic, that how we can find out the square root of non-perfect square number. Ask you to find the square root of under root of 19. Which one is a non-perfect square number, right? So how you can find the answer? Within few seconds, by using this method, you can find the answer, right? So first, what you need to do? You have to find out the nearest square number, perfect square number of that given one. So under root of 19. So what is the nearest perfect square number? That is 16. So if you know this one, 16, the square root of it is 4, right? So 4 plus. Now tell me, 19 is how much greater than 16? 3, right? So we have to add that number with it and by 2 into that number. What we have written here? 4. Always remember this one. 2 is the fixed one. You can't change these two. But this number you have to change according to this, right? The number that we have used over here, we have to multiply that with 2 always, right? So 4 plus 3 by 8 35 by 8. So if we calculate 4.3 around something, right? So that is the approximate answer of 4.3. So that will be your answer. Now, if I have asked you to find the square root of 47, how you can find the answer of it? Then 47, the nearest perfect square number is 49, right? So 49, the 7 we are getting from there, the square root is 7. So we have to write that number 7, then plus. Okay, then we can't use the plus sign over here. Why? Because, so when the given number is smaller than the nearest square number, then we always use minus sign with it, right? And when the given number, when it's greater than the nearest square number, then always we have to use plus sign with it, right? So here is 47 is smaller than 49, means the nearest number, nearest square number. So that time we have to use minus sign with it. So we use minus sign with it, right? Now what we calculate, that 47, how much smaller than the 49? Then 2, right? So by 2 is the fixed term over here. I have already informed you all. Then multiply with that number that we have already written over here, 7. So 7 minus 2 by 14. It means 96 by 14. So if we calculate this, so 6.8, right? That is the answer. Our third example, that how we can find the square root of 77, right? So 77, the nearest square number, perfect square number is 81, right? So 81, square root of it is 9. So we have to write that number first, right? Now the 77 is smaller than 81. In that time, we always use minus sign with it, right? Then 77, how much smaller than 81? Calculate this. So 4. Now 2 is the fixed one. Multiply with that number. What we have written here, 9. So 9 minus 4 by 18. If we calculate this one, we'll get approximate answer of 8.8, right? So that is our answer of under root of 77. Now our fourth example, how we can find the under root of 27. So nearest perfect square number is 25 and the square root of it is 5. So we have to write 5 here first. Then tell me, 27 is greater than 25, so we have to add use the plus sign over here, right? How much 27 is greater than 25? 2. So 2 by this one is the fixed 2, multiply with that 5. So 5 plus, we are getting approximate answer of 5.2, right? So that is our answer. So students, I hope all of you enjoyed today's class, understood today's topic, and that is for today students. See you in the next class. Tata, bye, and that is for today. Tata.